खेलाखौ जेनेबा माबायदि सोरखौ देरहागोन बायदि मोनदों अन्नानै प्लिज BTR को ना Hey girls say hi once please say hi once please Hello friends welcome back to my YouTube channel my name is Juwel Bsmtary and you watching only one Juwel Bsmtary YouTube channel लोगोफोरा दिनैहाय नैबे क'क्राझार साइ बेवहाय दंफैयो बेवहाय नोंथांमोननो देखायलांसै आं मा प्रग्राम सोलिगासिनो बेवहाय मा कम्पिटिशन जागासिनो स' नोंथांमोना फैबाय थाबानो जाबाय आंजों लोगोसे ना स' लोगोफोर नैबे Team Bodoland territorial region Assam लोगोफोर हा बे मोनसे टीम जाहैबाय जोंनि बे बड'लेण्डनि टीम बियो बड'लेण्डनि BTR नि ओमफ्राय बेनि उनाव मोनसे टीमखौ आं नोंथांमोननो देखायगासिनो लोगोफोर just follow me yes लोगोफोर आं नोंथांमोननो बे भिडिअनि थ्रु बे बेकग्राउन्डआव जोंनि बे जेनेबा खेला जानायनि बेकग्राउन्डआवहाय आन्दोआव मा सिस्टेमनि मानसिफ्रा बेवहाय इन्जय खालामगासिनो मा सिस्टेमनि बेरायदों बेफोरखौ एसे देखायनो नाजाबाय बे भिडिअनि थ्रु अननानै नायलांबाय थाबानो जाबाय स' लोगोफोर जोंनि बे मा होनो टीम बड'लेण्ड टेरिट'रियेल काउन्सिल आसाम versus Team Autonomous District Council Mizoram बेवहाय competition जानानै दङ लोगोफोर नोंथांमोना बे पस्टारखौ नायनो हागोन Welcome to the final match and closing ceremony ISPL Season 1 Intro 6th Schedule Premier League 2022 football is our legacy, unity is our goal. ओमफ्राय बेखौ मा बाद बाखि नोंथांमोनाथ' एक्सपार्ट खासे फरायनायाव आंलाय लावखार मानसियालाय मा बेसेबां बुजायबावनो नोंथांमोनखौ जिखुनु बेखौनो लोगोफोर आं नोंथांमोननो बे जेन'बा मानसिफ्रा फुटबल नायफैदों सोरबा बेवहाय एसे बेरायफैदों रिलेक्स खालामदों नैबे पार्क सिस्टेम मोनसे डेक'रेटेड खालामनाय जायगायावहाय बेखौनो नोंथांमोना आं बे भिडिअनि थ्रु देखायनो नाजाबाय लोगोफोर गेमखौ आं शुट खालामनो हागोन हाया बेनि जेबो आंनाव माने दा आं बुंनो हाथ'वा बाट आं बे बेकग्राउन्ड माबाखौहाय नोंथांमोननो आं बे भिडिअनि थ्रु देखायगोन आरोखि ना स' लोगोफोर नोंथाङा जुदि दासिमबो आंनि इउटुब चेनेलखौ साबस्क्राइब खालामाखैबा प्लिज रिक्वेस्टिं अन्नानैहाय साबस्क्राइब खालामदो जाहाथे नोंथांमोना आंनि गोदान भिडिअसफोरनि नटिफिकेसनफोरखौ नोंथाङा मोनग्रोनो हानाय बायदि स' लोगोफोर लेट्स गो Hey girls, say hi once please. Hello. What's your name please, if you don't mind?
Thank you.
Okay. Mana nih man? Kabar मा रोखोम? नोंसोर मोसाखांबाय ना ने? खयथायाव मोसाया नोंसोरो? दा मोसानाय गैला नोंसिना ना?
बागुरुम्बा मोसानायाव मोसादों.
Okay. मा नाम मोनलाय नानि नोंना? Santima Bsmtary. Kantima. Okay, beautiful name. दे जिरायबाय थाबानो enjoy खालामदो. Hello sister, say hi once. Thank you. Hey sister, how are you? Please say hi once. May I know your name please? Lisa. Bsmtary Nursery. Oh, very beautiful name. So keep sitting here and enjoy. Okay. बै जेनेबा खेलाखौ जेनेबा माबायदि सोरखौ देरहागोन बायदि मोनदों अन्नानै प्लिज BTR को ना Okay, very good. Please can you say your name please tell me your name Janamika Brahma. Wow, very sweet name, beautiful name. Okay, keep sitting here. Thank you so much. Hey sister, can you say hi once please?
Hi.
Okay, thank you.
Only sisters.
Oh, sorry brother. Say hi once please. May I know your name please if you don't mind? Sorry? Radhisham Bsmtary. Wow, beautiful name. Okay, keep enjoying. Keep rowing. Yeah, good night to you. Nice to talk with you.
बैलाय हनै हेनद्रिकआ
Jadi sudah langsung ya.
हाबनो मोनो ना मोनाथाय
हाबनो मोनथियाखै दां
Okay, Rode. Hey sister, say hi once please if you don't mind. Okay. Hey sister, say hi once please. Say hi please. Hey sister, say hi once please. What's your name please?
Erina Musari.
Marina Masari. Oh, beautiful name. Hey sister, can you say hi please once? Where are you from sister? Okay, Kokraza. Nice. May I know your name?
My name is Daisy Raningsun.
Sorry?
Daisy Raningsun.
Okay, very beautiful name. Keep watching. Hi. Tiara Gorsi sözün ve logofor. Hey bro, look at here once. How do you feeling here?
Place is really very awesome. This very better than the day because there is a lighting, no? The lighting decoration comes up only at night, no?
Okay.
Very colorful entry to the side.
Okay.
This year because of just this ISPL.
Okay. You just tell about your channel, brother, if you want.
My channel is Samdan Borgari and the other channel is Samdan Talks.
Samdan
If you're
Talks.
interested, you can subscribe and support me.
And tell something about my channel, brother, to my audience.
Okay, all my dear viewers, those who are watching right now, please support this guy, this channel, this Juwel Bsmtary. This guy is working so hard to bring good content, better content day by day, just for you all.
Okay, so would you like to say anything about on etc., brother?
Etc.
Why you laughing like that? Why you laughing like that, brother? You're looking very good than before nowadays.
Etc. means actually we are very happy coming here.
Okay.
Because the game was also very
brother,
and a huge
just wait a minute. Just
unexpected gathering.
Okay, just wait a minute.
Yeah.
You can talk even by walking, brother. It's fine. You can walk and you can talk.
So I'm moving on and talking. Okay.
Yeah. Obviously.
So, see the decorations. You have
walk, brother. Walk like that. What? See. Look at me.
Yeah.
Walk like that. Okay.
Yeah.
From back.
Yeah. See the decorations. Really very awesome. Very
Yeah.
colorful. Feeling like what do we say? Like paradise, you know.
Paradise. Yeah.
Because I have come here during the day. It's very beautiful naturally because there are some decorative plants are there. Some good plants they have planted this side.
Okay.
Good trees, no. But more than the day, it's looking very beautiful today.
Okay.
More beautiful than the day because of this lightings.
Okay.
White, red, green, blue, something.
Yeah. Brother, tell about on this place. This place belongs from where?
See, this place is the only Sai Center Sports Authority of India in our Kokrajhar district. It falls in a Titaguri, like Katalguri or something it is. This is a Sai training center. Here trainings are done, selection, and they train the players here by taking the players in our locality and all around Assam.
Yes. And what is it going on here?
Right now, the first inter-6 scheduled Premier League 2022 football match is going on right now. Today is the final match and the closing ceremony is also going to take place today. Just
Okay.
a few minutes.
Okay, and tell something about the teams.
Today's teams are like we have the Team Bodoland territorial region and the other team is Lai Autonomous Council District from Mizoram.
Okay.
Very competitive.
And game is what about the game? Is the game
very competitive game which audience have really enjoyed by watching the game.
And what about the girl? What about the goal?
Go.
Yeah, I said girl. Oh, sorry, guys.
Go.
It my,
Goal as of now, till now, it was 1 goal. Bodoland has scored, and the other Lai Autonomous Council, this Lai Autonomous District Council has scored 0. No goal.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, brother, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yep.
So, would you like to say anything?
Have you seen such kind of light? You see? Wow.
Beautiful.
Very beautiful.
It's looking beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah.
Inside it's ordinary bulb, but outside it's covered with colorful.
Like a
color.
diamond in the sky.
Like a diamond on the sky.
Rihanna.
Yeah.
So let's move on.
How do I look? Do I look?
Oh,
like
you are looking very fit and very strong than before. You're looking like a hero.
Oh my
really?
God. Thanks a lot,
You're looking like a
brother.
Rambo. Really? I'm not lying. Yeah, you're looking better than before, yeah, brother.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're most welcome.
Yeah. So this is the way main entry. This is the main entry, main gate of the Sai Kokraja.
Okay. So thank you so much for watching, guys.
Yes, thank you guys.